all your jumps were beautiful. You were too long on this one, but that's because you just kind of let them, see, this ring runs downhill. So once you do the two stride, you just need to sit on balance here a little bit. So then you could come on to it when you got long. Yeah. Sometimes get on his forehand a little bit, that's how he is. But where did you not like? Except it was your fault. You just got the wrong read. What did you think? He's not saying nothing. See, first class baby. And I'm not saying that I won't let you have them for that. Okay? But I think you'll want them for that. So, quarter line right lead. 6. So you're gonna jump, and this won't be, he won't be running downhill because this will be early. Yeah. So you can let him continue here because this will be forward. Okay? The 5, the single, full balance here. Okay. So you're, they get on the forehand the longer they go. Yeah. So when you do a trot or a canter way and halt and back him up and get him off his front end. So then she likes them not moving because just him starting to get on his forehand. But that's the beauty of him too, because he is like that. He's got that low. So you know you can't have. Is it a player? Yeah. You like riding.